Greetings, beloved ones. I am Sananda. So as you settle into your experience now, becoming aware of your physical form, becoming aware of the weight of your body, your sit bones upon the chair where you are sitting or wherever it is that you are sitting, feeling your feet upon the ground, breathing into your physical form and becoming aware of as much of it as at one time as you are able, encompassing your entire physical form. As you breathe deeply now, deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper, going deeper within. Welcome, beloved ones. And as usual, allowing your spine to be as straight as possible, allowing for the free flow of energies up and down your spine. Connecting now through your grounding cord, that beautiful root, down into the earth, extending from the base of your spine and your base chakra into the earth, deep into the earth. And then feeling that your head is a helium balloon with a golden thread extending down through your spine, connecting with that grounding cord so that your head is light and your neck and shoulders just relaxed. No need to hold. Letting go now and allowing yourself to have a deep experience here as we transmit to you, following the transmissions that are woven within and through every syllable of every word. Whatever your experience, dearest ones, allow it to be perfect. If you are uncomfortable, breathe deeply, expand your energy systems just by intention, expand your aura just by intention. And breathe into it, allowing for a greater flow. Adjusting your physical form now to allow for that greater flow, opening up the back of your head, neck and shoulders, opening that beautiful portal where we are able to connect with you on yet deeper and deeper levels. Always, beloved ones, using your imagination to open the portal of possibilities. As a beginning, perhaps. So extending down into the earth, feeling that support of Mother Earth, as if she were cradling you in the palms of her hands. And as that nurturing energy of the Mother flows up through your physical form, through your energy centers, through your full body system, flowing through and nurturing, tending to, soothing, mothering every part of your physical form as it moves out into the cosmos. And as you still breathe deeply, beloved ones, do not forget to breathe. You are breathing in the essence of creation now. And as you breathe out, you are allowing all things that no longer serve you to melt away. Connecting now with the central spiritual sun far above your head, showering down upon you and all around you photons of light, a waterfall of light. delight in the dance and the interplay of earth energies and cosmic energies, dancing in a dance of love as they move through your energy centers, recalibrating, re-energizing, adjusting minutely so that you may have the best possible experience now in your linear experience of time. Making this now moment the focus of all your attention as you drop from your head to your heart. Namaste, 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 Namaste. And from your spiritual core, as the cosmic energy flows down through your physical form and into the earth, and as the earth energies flow up through your physical form, dancing in a dance of love with cosmic energies, moving up out into the cosmos, feel your place within your moment in the cosmos. This moment now. What is your experience now? Whatever it is perfect, beloved ones. There is no right or wrong. Try your best to not judge the moment. Just let it be as it is. Breathing deeply now. And sensing the sacred circle of sisterhood here. Finding yourselves in that beautiful circle of light, that healing circle of light now. Connected heart to heart. Feeling that energy of your heart and of all your hearts combined. And already now you are raising the vibrations and higher frequencies are coming in as you are joined by angels, by masters of light, by ascended masters, by the Elohim of the 12 divine rays as we activate the star of unity surrounding you. Connect now for a moment with that sister opposite you, heart to heart, creating a sacred geometry. Taking a moment now to experience this beautiful space of pure love, of non-judgment, of freedom, of flow, of purity, and of pure potential. As the vortex of creativity, the vortex of manifestation and creation starts up in the center of your circle of light. And it is now creating momentum, and as it does so, take a few moments now to set an intention now for your nearest and dearest. It can be those that are close to you, that live with you. It can be your extended family. It can be your chosen family. But those that are dear to you, dear to your heart. And perhaps those within that circle that you have discord with. Now is the opportunity to set an intention, remembering to focus on what it is that you want, not what it is that you do not want. Set an intention for what you wish for there to be happen within this circle of your heart, this place of family, friends, and local community, if you will. We will remain silent for a few moments while you choose perhaps the most unlimited intention that you can at this time, extending and expanding the possibilities for you as you recognize that you are unlimited. The only limits are those that you impose upon yourself, dearest ones. So now is the time to play in the field of unlimited possibilities. And as you complete your intention, and if you have not set an intention, that is fine too. Your soul knows your deepest desire, and your soul, along with the guides that you have connected with, will assist you to discover and uncover what that might be. So for those who have set an intention, throw it now into this vortex of creation, this vortex of manifestation, and see the sparks fly as it is accepted, every tiny bit of it, right down to the quantum particles and the spaces between. And as the vortex increases power, see it now expand out, and as it moves through your physical form, feel a whisper of recognition perhaps, an awakening within you of an answer, as you are now contained within the vortex of manifestation, and the journey begins. So now, calling light to yourselves, beloved ones, calling light to yourselves, feeling that flow of light filling your spine, filling your entire physical form, as every cell within your physical form drinks in this light and does what it was designed to do, what it knows what to do, absolutely 100%. So allow yourselves to trust that your body knows. If you need to adjust your physical form, do so now, as you call more light to yourself and as you breathe deeply, beloved ones. Sending anything away that does not belong to you, back to where it came from, without a need to know what that is, where it came from. Send it away. It takes but a moment. And then now calling back all your own energies from wherever they have been scattered in the multiverses. Calling back all your power. Getting a sense of your sovereignty now, as you are within a beautiful bubble of light. Calling more light to yourselves now, beloved ones. And as you breathe deeply, go within. And if you are already within, start an exploration of your physical form from within. Get a sense of all the systems of your exquisite body that support you so beautifully in your linear experience of time. Get a sense of your vascular system, your heart, your respiratory system, those beautiful lungs, and the way that those vessels work together to nourish, to replenish, and to eliminate. Get a sense of your digestive system, assisting you to assimilate all that nourishes you and eliminate that which does not anymore. Sending love to every part of your physicality now. Feeling your beautiful skeletal system, those bones that support you, assist you to maneuver through your experience, to dance, to rest, to play. Your beautiful eyes, your outer vision and your inner vision that is assisting you now on this journey. And again, however you experience this journey is perfect for you. Surrendering to your experience as perfect in this moment. Your muscles and your tendons supporting your physical form. Your liver and all that it metabolizes for you with the assistance of the spleen. The beautiful pancreas. Every part of your physical form is magnificent. Your nervous system now that is assisting you in ways you cannot imagine at this moment, beloved ones, with this journey. And of course now we come to your brain. That computer that as yet is partly dormant. But we are finding ways with you, beloved ones, to assist you to access files that were perhaps unobtainable before. And so now, beloved ones, we take you to a particular neuron within your brain, a brain cell. And we ask for you to suspend disbelief, playing like a child, and shrink down and down and down until you are upon your beautiful double helix, your DNA. Perhaps you are on one of the rungs of the ladder, if you will, those beautiful genes that are the reason why you are a human and not a mouse. A simple arrangement of these genes upon your ladder, if you will, makes you so. And so now perhaps as we allow for those codes which are coming up through from the center of the earth, through your grounding cord, and up through your physical body, activating your DNA. As you merge with your DNA now, become one with it, and take a moment now to get a sense of the miracle of life upon the earth. Dance for a few moments as your DNA. Get a sense of the electrical charges here, the information, the flowing back and forth, the sparks of light, the sparkle, if you will. And we will remain silent for a few moments as you do this, beloved ones. As you allow yourselves now to shrink smaller and smaller and smaller until you shrink to a particle, a quantum particle, and then even further than that, expanding out now into a cosmos within, the microcosm within the macrocosm. Taking a moment now to adjust to this space as we prepare you, beloved ones, for a magnificent reclamation. You are now going to be taken to several lifetimes. Some may be future, some may be past, some may be this life. And it is a reclamation of your gifts. Each one of you has the capability and the possibility to be all things. Clairvoyant, clairaudient, all of them. You can see, you can hear, you can touch, you can smell, you can move things with your minds. You all have these capabilities, every one of them. But for the purpose of each lifetime, you were honing your skills for each one of them. And so perhaps in this lifetime you feel that you are lacking in an area that is not so. It is just that you have been fine-tuning a particular skill in this lifetime, and now is the time to start to reclaim and activate all of those gifts. Now this will happen bit by bit, dearest ones. It cannot necessarily happen all at once. For some of you perhaps, but for some of you it will be a gentle process. We do not wish to overload you. But for the purpose of this journey, this is something that has not been allowed upon the earth plane before, but that the frequencies allow it now. You will split off, and we will take you through wormholes to different lifetimes. Now, you may focus upon one particular lifetime, but know that you are journeying to many lifetimes to reclaim and reawaken those gifts and bring them back to this now moment in your linear experience of time, where they are so needed, beloved ones. You would not be here but that you are ready for this journey. So allowing yourself, perhaps if you feel more comfortable, to focus on one wormhole or to split off into all of them, it is entirely up to you. Play with the possibilities, beloved ones. We are taking you now to those lifetimes, travelling through a wormhole now, getting a sense of the flow, falling in all directions, trusting that you are being taken by your guides and your soul to the perfect lifetime or lifetimes. And now you find yourself in a different space. We will allow you now to adjust to this space and to gain the information from this space that your soul and your guides have guided you to and desire for you to bring back, if you will. We are seeing many lifetimes here in operation. Trust that what you are seeing is real. Trust that what you are experiencing is real. And allow yourselves to be guided by your guides, by your soul, to retrieve your gift from that lifetime or those lifetimes. We will remain silent now as you do this, beloved ones. As this happens, beloved ones, know that you are undergoing an initiation and a rites of passage that will assist you to integrate these gifts within your now experience, in your linear experience of time. Trust your experience, beloved ones. As your guide is now sealing these gifts within your physical form, breathing deeply into this space. Surrounded by the beings of each particular lifetime who are celebrating each of you now for your reclamation and for the fact that you have found yourself to this space where you are able to reclaim what has been dormant until this time within you. And as you receive these gifts, know that you are more capable than you can imagine, beloved ones, to integrate the shifts and the changes that receiving and awakening these gifts will create for you and for those around you. So as you allow yourself and those beings around you to activate the notes, if you will, of these particular gifts within the orchestra of your physical form, bringing it into balance and harmony, adjusting so that it all sounds the most beautiful harmonics. Because yes, beloved ones, we see you not only as energy systems, but we hear you as beautiful harmonic waves of exquisite music of the spheres, if you will. And now new notes have been added that are taking their place within you in perfect sequence, in perfect balance and harmony, as you gently, with deep gratitude for the assistance of your guides, take a moment now, gathering all those lifetimes together into a beautiful chamber of light, where you are now sitting with your guide or guides. And we give you this precious time now to communicate with your guides, to ask questions and to receive answers, allowing yourself to trust that you do receive, even if you are not sure at this time how. Trust in this magical moment, beloved ones, as we allow you this time to commune with your guide or guides. There is a specific message for you at this time. Allow your guide to give you that message now. You will receive it in whatever way is perfect for you. It may arrive as a symbol, as a crystal, as a feather perhaps, or as words. Allow yourself to receive now. Beautiful. So as all of that now fades away, find yourself now in that neuron within the brain, on the ladder of the DNA, and just get a sense if anything has changed. If it has not, do not be concerned. We see a magnificent transformation, and we are here to tell you, beloved ones, that you were magnificent before, but my goodness, you are radiant now. We see you clearly, and we celebrate each and every one of you. So now we are able to access and activate some more files, if you will, within your computer of your brain, which will assist you with magical things, because these dormant parts of the brain are very much to do with consciousness, to do with magic, to do with your spiritual life. So now perhaps you understand why they have been dormant for so long, and now is the perfect time to very gently activate those areas. You do not need to know how to do this, or in what sequence. Your guide and your soul are assisting you, and it will only happen as and when you are ready to gently assimilate this into your physical reality and to utilize those gifts. So allow yourself to have patience and trust as these parts of your brain are very gently, bit by bit, neuron by neuron, beginning to awaken. And as this happens, beloved ones, taking a few deep breaths, becoming aware again of your physical forms, of all the systems working so beautifully together, your exquisite physical form that now is finding your attention a form of nourishment. So nourish your physical form now with your love, however you find yourself in this moment. Because as you nourish your physical form with your love and your attention, it will resonate and it will shine and sing back to you in most wonderful ways. So as you find your magnificent form now, feeling the energies again connecting with your grounding cord, feeling the flows of earth energies now, and feeling a greater flow of earth energies now through your physical form. And then connecting briefly with the central spiritual sun above your head and basking in the waterfall of light, of photons of light dancing all around you and through you, as if you were suspended and yet held between heaven and earth, within this physical vehicle that is truly magnificent. So as you take a few deep breaths now and find yourselves with a memory of where you are sitting, your weight upon the seat, your sit bones heavy upon your seat, your feet upon the earth, wiggling your fingers and your toes, breathing deeply now, beloved ones, bringing yourself back ever so gently, sending gratitude if you choose to the guides that have assisted you, to your specific guide and guides at this moment in your linear experience of time, and to all the angels, the beings of light, the ascended masters, the Elohim of the 12 divine rays, the star of unity, and to your beautiful, beloved sisterhood here, as you find yourselves now sitting in your seat, becoming aware perhaps of changes within your physical form, as you bring yourself around ever so gently and open your eyes when you are ready.